Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm just bringing you along to make my cranberry relish. I've been making this for several years now, and it's a really favorite of my husband. I like it too because, as most of you know, I do not like cooked fruit. I'd rather just eat it raw. So this way it's really good, and it's really quick and easy to make. So I have just one 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries. And I've rinsed them real good, and I've removed any really mushy and soft ones. So now I'm going to get it started and blending it up some in the food processor. Now I'm going to scrape that down. And then I just have one orange that I've removed the rind from, and I made sure there was no seeds in it, and with a little bit of juice. I'm going to add that in there, and we're going to give that a quick blend. And now we're going to add just one apple. I'm going to leave the peeling on the apple. You can use your favorite apple. But let me just core this apple really quick, and then we'll add that. Okay, next I've added my cubed up apple. I've cored it and only left the skin on. And then some people don't add it, but we do. I add about 1/3 to 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple. We really like it in there. And now to blend this up. Let me go ahead and add my little bit of sugar, because you know cranberries are really tart. And so the sugar will be just to your taste. And that's about 1/4 cup, and I'm just going to leave it like that until I get it blended up so I can try it. Okay, let me give that a quick stir. Yeah, it looks like that apple's all chopped. Nope, there's some right there. Alright, let me turn that back on for another minute, but first I'm going to try it real quick to see if I need to add some more sugar. A little bit more, but that pineapple really helps with not having to add a lot of sugar to it. Alright, let me give this one more try to make sure that I don't need any more sugar. That's perfect. So let me get this in a bowl and I'll bring you back. And here's my cranberry relish, and with a clean spoon. I'm going to try it again just because it's so good. That ain't going to focus. This is so delicious, and this is better, in my opinion, made way in advance. Like it's Tuesday evening now, and Thanksgiving's Thursday, so I'm making this like a day and a half prior to when we're going to eat, and it's better after it sits. And remember, I'm just showing you the way that me and my family like it. If you make this, if you don't want to add the pineapple, don't. If you want to add more pineapple, you can add more pineapple. As a matter of fact, I think I am going to add just a little bit more pineapple to it. But make it your own. And I hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all. Oh, and real quick, I'm doing TikTok now. You can find me at Cooking with Cricket. I really just show a lot of ourselves, our family, my cats. And I have one meal that I put on there. But anyway, bye y'all.